Happy Monday. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's the 25th, Monday the 25th. I didn't get started till later today. I had been on a phone call and I did not have my recording up, and I just boom jumped into this trade. Guys, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's going to take, but my first trade is almost always a loser. And it has nothing to do with my ability to read the market. It has everything to do with my ability to be patient. So if I'm not being patient, I'm not going to take my trade at the proper entry. And I think I need to do like just some speed trading in the morning before I start. Like maybe do some market replays in the morning before the market kicks off, just to knock that out. I don't know, but that is the one thing that if I fixed, it would totally change the amount of losses that I take, overall, because that first one is almost always a loss. And I'll be straightforward, honest with you. I mean, there's nothing I can do. Well, there's plenty I can do to change it, but there's nothing I can do now that it's already done. It happened. It is what it is, and let's move on from it. So I have been pretty busy today, but let's just take a little peek at what all has happened. Hey y'all, hey. I have been trying to help a student with something this morning, and I saw this possibility, and I kind of feel a little silly getting in right here, but it is what it is. Yeah. Let's wait and see if this pulls back just a little bit. There we go. All right. Definitely about ready to move this to a break even. Which will have us right above this last little area, and lock in just a little bit of profit. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. The way that the BB is starting to pop up here, I'm gonna go ahead and close that out. Let's see if this pulls back all the way again. Huh. Ready, set, oh. Gonna move that to a break even. Seeing some divergence on the 233 here, saying a pretty decent pullback. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. It could definitely keep going, but I'm seeing just a little bit of divergence here. I want to go ahead and take that. I am concerned with the zero line here. All right, I have somebody that I am talking with in about 15 minutes. I'm really moving things along pretty quickly. We have a lot that we're working on to just have more improvement for you students, or have more information for you students. As I said, I'm going to start working with someone, and he is big into stocks, retirements, longer term investing. We've known each other for many years. And so that will be an area that he will be able to help you with if there's something that you want to know about long term or investing, retirement, all that kind of stuff. That's not my specialty. So we'll let him handle that stuff. But yeah, I've got a lot of meetings, a lot of things going on. I'm trying to minimize my time in the market, but in the same time, definitely, utilize my time there. If that means I got to be there longer some days, I do. But 26 minutes today, and we at 7.75 points. First trade, my typical loss, 1.25, so 2.5 points. My next trade was 2 points and 1.25. Then I got 2 points and 5 points. So we're up 7.75. Ooh, hold on, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. I'm gonna stop the video. If I choose to pick up back later, I will add it into the end. I hope you had a good day. All my trades are in this area right in here. Actually, I'll turn it on really quick because I have not even been up here for a while. There we go. Yeah. Took the short here a little bit early, took it back here again, exited definitely early, and then got back in and took it down to about this point when the 233 gave me some signals. There has been some great signals for this to continue down, and we may see this keep going. I gave a good pop back up with some divergence, but pulling right back into this area is not a bad signal. So I may just hop on this one really quick. Let's wait and see if this is going to push back up from here. The BB is rolling over. Every time we've hit this area, it has pulled back up. When I entered this trade, I actually had my target sitting way down here. I would have never, ever waited on this pullback to put me back in there. Definitely would have taken this exit much sooner, and I may have looked for an entry here. Definitely in one of these spots to enter for this to pull down. Now, it's reached this area for a third time, and MACDs are still leading higher. Maybe something similar to this right here. So when I took this short, it was definitely above the EMAs here, or above the zero line here. And it was giving me signals on my 233 that it was time to enter the trade. So I took it. Perfect. Love it. First one out here. I may be taking this out very soon. Go ahead and take that one. Alright guys, where this goes, it pulls back. I'm going to go ahead. It's starting to pull back. I'm going to go ahead and take those two out. Yeah, there's just a lot of strength still happening here. Can definitely push up. I need to turn these off. They give me, I just don't like them. I don't like to be able to see them. Okay, that makes me feel a little more comfortable. Here it is, still pushing up now. Perfect. I just wanted to look at this really quick. It's so hard to see that on my, all right. I'm pulling a little higher like it did here. It may push back down, but I don't know. I'm not going to be here to see it. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Monday. Today was probably the Monday-est Monday I've ever experienced out of all Mondays alive. Yeah, I started off with arguing with my child this morning, and then I had lots of phone calls and things happening, and so my the morning did not start off easy. So I just kind of let that go, and then once I was able to breathe and slow down, then start trading. So hope everybody has a fantastic Monday, and catch you on the profitable side.